How to sign up on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to sign up on PUBG. Signing up on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Download and install PUBG Mobile. If you haven't done so, install PUBG Mobile from the Google Play Store or App Store. Open PUBG, launch the game from your home screen. Choose your sign up method. Facebook. Tap on the Facebook option. You will be redirected to a login page where you can enter your Facebook credential. If you don't have a Facebook account, you will need to create one by clicking on the sign up option and follow the instruction. Google Play. Tap on the Google Play option. You will be prompted to select a Google account or create a new one if you don't have one. Twitter. If you prefer Twitter, select the Twitter option. You will be redirected to a login page and you can log in. Create your in-game character. After signing up, you will be prompted to create your in-game character by choosing a name and customizing the appearance. Start playing. Your account is now set up and you can start playing the game. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.